you look so pretty when you tell me that you love me.